You're searching how to buy shares of Badger Meter Inc. Badger Meter designs and manufactures flow measurement and control products for water utilities and industrial users. The company trades on the NASDAQ under the ticker BMI. This video is educational and not financial advice. Always research and consider risks before investing. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document, and you will need to add funds before you can purchase stock. Use the platform search box and type the ticker BMI to find the company quickly. Select the result that shows Badger Meter Inc. on NASDAQ to open the correct stock page. On the asset page, review the company overview and the price chart to see recent trading. Confirm the name matches Badger Meter Inc., the ticker BMI, and the NASDAQ listing to ensure it's the right stock. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may execute at the next available session, and if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will request you add money before confirming. Once confirmed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it and set alerts. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to explore the platform further.